Bluetooth speakers, the inseparable part of every Indian party. But what if I make one cheaper Bluetooth speaker out of just $4? Is it possible? Let's see if we find anything useful in this bunch of damaged earphones. My main target is to make this speaker more and more louder with crystal clear sound, and here I'm having one Bluetooth earphone, earpods, few speakers. But if you're not having all these, so you can directly buy them from e-commerce websites. I'll leave a link for you in the description box for this Bluetooth speaker circuit board, and it's very useful guys because it's very cheaper also. So I'll recommend you to use this one only. So stay volatile and Jai Shri Krishna. A Bluetooth speaker mainly comprises of a Bluetooth module, an audio amplifier module, few speakers and a battery. For the Bluetooth, I'm going to use this earphone over here, and then I've designed one circuit for you for the audio amplifier, and you can make this within 5 rupees. As you can see here, I've took a can of rasgullas, and thanks to Balaram for these rasgullas, but right now we need to tear it down. Then I'm going to make my audio amplifier, and you can find all these components on any electronic shop. These are very much common guys. Here I've took one earphone for our aux cable, and it's completely optional guys. I don't think that someone uses aux cable also, but we are going to make it more functional, so I'm going to add this aux cable also. Here I've took the Bluetooth module of my Bluetooth earphone, and it mainly has 4 wires guys. And if you want to know more about wiring of an earphone, then I've made one dedicated video for you only. To make our speaker more beautiful, I'm adding one RGB strip also, and you need to directly solder it to the output points of our speakers. You just need to short all these RG and B terminals over here, and then connect two wires from here, and then while using this LED strip we'll get the rhythmic pattern of our sound. For powering our speaker you can also use 18650 cells, but here I'm using one 12V DC socket because I found it more convenient for me. I had literally repeated this process 5 times until I got a very good result. And in the very first attempt I had forgot to plug in this USB cable, and we are not going to use any battery over here. I'm going to connect this with my direct power supply. I have bought good quality of speakers from my local market for my Bluetooth speaker. I'm connecting both the speakers parallelly with each other, and then I'll connect the RGB strip also respectively with these two only. And while using the speaker, the light will glow accordingly with the beat of the music, like this shot which I had made earlier. As I told you, I am connecting my RGB strip with my speakers. I have borrowed a thin black cotton cloth from a tailor to complete the outermost covering of my speaker, and in this scene my sister is helping me to complete the exterior of my speaker as it was very late at night, so shout out to her. As you can see, I have wrapped everything using a black plastic tape, and for the finishing I had already planned something different in my mind. So basically guys, I'm going to print my grandfather's logo over it, because he used to print this logo on every book of his small library, and this is a type of tribute to him because he was very fond of reading books. So guys, this is the final look of our Bluetooth speaker, and I think it needs few more finishing because I had made this in very much hurry for my uncle and aunt. So guys, I think I should make some more improvements in it. Now let's play some devotional songs for all my Kattar Hindu friends out there. I'm using my phone to record this video, that's why the LED light is not much visible in this camera, but in real life it's much satisfying. To satisfy you with the sound quality of my speaker, I'm using my phone to record this video, and I hope I don't get any copyright claims. And how can I forget this one, which was loved by every one of you? The question arises that how loud it can go. So guys, it totally depends on what type of power supply you are giving to it. If I'm using a 15 watt of adapter, then I'll get 15 watts of supply. If I'm using a 12 watt adapter, then I'll get 12 watts of sound quality. And if I'm using a 10 watt adapter, then I'll get 10 watts in my sound quality. Guys, I hope you really liked this video. Share it with your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I always try to make something different, and I'll be back in the future as well. So stay volatile and Hare Krishna.